Introducing the Spectrum Pro S-Beam 150 LED Studio Light. The S-Beam 150 is a professional studio LED continuous light that can be used for photos and videos. Let's take a look at what's included. Firstly, you've got the padded carry case for the light, and you've also got a case here for the provided 80cm Octagon softbox. Inside the bag, we have a 4.5 meter AC adapter. We've got a Cat 5e cable that's used for DMX 512 controls. We've got the instruction manual, and we've got the S-Beam light itself. Running through some of the features of the S-Beam 150. It has a CRI rating of 95+, which means excellent color rendition in your photos and videos. The LEDs themselves have a lifespan of 50,000 hours, and their color temperature is rated at 5500 Kelvin. The LED source is actually 6 panels of 48 SMD LEDs, so that means a total of 288 LEDs. It's housed within this silver reflector that is 29 centimeters in diameter, and the dimmable controls can be dimmed between 0 to 100%. It's perfect to use as a key light or as a fill light in a studio setup. To mount the 80cm Octagon softbox to the S-Beam 150, simply screw in one end to the S-Beam 150 light mounting port, and then this umbrella softbox simply pushes down to expand, and from there grabbing the elasticated ends and just wrapping them around the reflector. Running through some of the controls of the Spectrum Pro S-Beam 150 includes a tilt handle, which you can adjust the position of the light. You also have the on-off button. Turning that on, there's an LCD display that shows the intensity of the light between 1 to 100%. Pressing down on the wheel, you have the menu options. So firstly is the group control if you're using this as a master light for your DMX configuration setup. This is the main menu option to look at. Pressing the top button here exits from the menu. And the LCD backlight allows you to control the backlight intensity of the LCD display. And you also have backlight time, which allows you to have the backlit display timeout depending on the option that you select. Lastly is the system menu here, which goes into deeper DMX controls, which allows you to assign a DMX address or configure it as a group setup. And lastly, just jumping into some system info here that displays the temperature of the light in Celsius, also the fan speed with the internal cooling fan, as well as the brightness setting. Now we also have the DMX ports located here, the in and out, as well as the AC powering option and a spare fuse that's housed just above the AC jack. The S-Beam 150 can be used in a variety of different lighting configuration options. This includes being used as a 1, 2, or a 3-point lighting setup. perfect to be paired with other Spectrum lighting products, including the 10-inch Eclipse ring light, the 19-inch Gold Luxe ring light, the 18-inch Diamond Luxe ring light, and also the 14-inch Mini Pearl ring light. The S-Beam 150 is available in a single light setup or in a duo setup with two S-Beams paired with the included 80cm Octagon softboxes.